Hi, I'm Katie Becker, Executive Director at Parenting Matters with our friends at the SOAR Lab.
Hi, my name is Angela Napik. I'm the coordinator at the SOAR Lab. I am on the early learning team for the school district of Manatee County, and you'll find me at the SOAR Lab.
So we're here in the nest, and before coming here, we went through the SOAR Lab, and oh my gosh, there was so much fun and kids everywhere. And honestly, I didn't want to leave and come to the nest because it looked like so much fun over there. But tell me, if a family comes to the SOAR Lab, what can they expect?
They'll check in, they'll go through our check in process, and then they can choose to either attend one of our programming sessions that we have scheduled for the day, or they can free float around our lab into the different areas: tinkering, engineering, creative arts.
So you mentioned different activities. I know before we came in here, we stopped by the art room and saw musical motion. And Parenting Matters has been a partner of SOAR and 4 for many years. Can you tell me about how you work with partners in the community to help broaden the experience of the families that visit here?
Yeah, so that's definitely one of the cornerstones of SOAR and 4 is that they have always included community partners. I know Parenting Matters has been with SOAR and 4 since the beginning, 13, 14 years ago.
You're aging me here, so thank
We just kind of open up our space and then allow our clientele, right, to learn about a new partnership, right, or learn about a new resource in the community. But sometimes you guys bring people into us. So maybe they come because they're here for musical motion and they get to discover the SOAR Lab. So it's
absolutely.
that synergistic relationship that we benefit off of each other.
So
And
it takes a community, and everybody has their little specialty and support that they can provide.
yes, our families benefit from everybody working together.
Awesome.
Mm-hmm.
So, there was lots of laughter and joy and singing. Is there some moment that you remember that really stood out to you that was a memorable moment with a family?
The one moment that sticks out is a mom was in tears because she has two children that are diagnosed on the spectrum. And she said, I finally feel like I have a safe space I can bring my children to. And that is why we created the SOAR Lab,
Wow,
so that all families can participate and do things together in a safe place.
that's wonderful.
Yeah.
Those are the stories that, keep us coming back every
Yes.
day, right?
Uh-huh.
So, other families might want to come here. What
Mm-hmm.
do they need to know before they arrive?
Um, just kind of come with an open heart and an open mind. So you will need your driver's license because we check
That's
everybody
good.
in. That's part of our security system with the school district.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll take you through the registration process. You do not have to pre-register. We just ask that families, once they get here, kind of tell us a little bit about them because that helps us collect data on who is coming and maybe who we're not reaching, right?
Mm.
And then once they get back here, they'll get a little tour of the space. Like I said, they can join a program or they can free play with our staff members or volunteers. But what they really should expect is just to be wowed.
Well, I'm wowed, and I hope you are all wowed too and can come to the SOAR Lab and enjoy these amazing activities with our friends like Angela and the amazing staff here. Well, thank you for partnering with Parenting Matters and for continuing to support our children here in our community. It's been a really wonderful partnership, and we look forward to continuing
We
it.
love our Parenting Matters partnership.